Hi everyone, myself Chinmay Vishwas and you are watching The Hidden Dimension. Today I have a very great news for those who are single girl child in their family. I have a news of a scholarship that is only given to those who are single girl child in their family. The name of the scholarship is Indira Gandhi Single Girl Child Scholarship and it is provided by the University Grants Commission or UGC, and the scholarship scheme provides the financial assistance worth of 36,200 per year to a single girl child from a family pursuing post-graduation courses. So to avail such scholarship, you have to be the single girl child in your family and also you have to pursue the post-graduation course in any subject. The objective of Indira Gandhi Scholarship Scheme are: number one, to appreciate the value of small family norms, and second, to encourage girls to pursue higher education. Now, I will tell you that what is the eligibility criteria to avail this scholarship. Number one, the scholarship is applicable for a single girl child admitted to the first year postgraduate degree of full-time course in any designated college or university. Number two, girl students aged 30 years and below are eligible to apply. So if your age is 30 years or below, then you can easily apply for this. Number three, PG students of distance education mode are not encouraged to participate in this proposed scheme. So to avail this scholarship, you have to do your post-graduation in a regular mode. Number four, the participation of institute with national importance comes under the scheme. Number five, eligible students of college, institutions, universities funded by state or central government can participate in the scholarship. So this is very important because if you get any such scholarship, then also you can apply for this scholarship. This point make this scholarship very special. And also, number criteria is candidates of colleges or institutions or universities included in the UGC Act under sections 12B and 12F are eligible to participate. So basically, if your institute or if your college or if your university is included in the UGC Act under section 12B or 12F, then actually you can participate. So normally every colleges, every universities are under this UGC Act. So to verify this, please ask your principal or go to your college administration office and ask this, that whether your college or your university are in UGC Act under sections 12B or 12F or not. Once in a year, applications will be invited through the National Scholarship Portal, the Government of India. So you have to look at the portal, the National Scholarship Portal, and you will get the news from there. But don't worry, I will bring the news if the application start for you. So please subscribe to be updated. So in the last, I want to tell you that I bring such kind of information time to time. So to be updated, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get every notifications. Goodbye.